Makeup time. Okay, now this is gonna make the biggest difference in your life. Oh my god! Hey girl, welcome to the happiest place on the internet. My name is Adelaine Morin, and you saw the title, you know what's happening already. We are going to be doing Dove Cameron, aka the Queen, aka Mal from Disney Channel's Descendants movie. I've watched Descendants 1, I've watched Descendants 2, like both when they came out. And Descendants 3 is coming out on Disney Channel Friday, August 2nd at 8 p.m. Also, you saw the intro of my video. You saw the castle, right? You know how obsessed with Disney I am. Today's video is sponsored by Disney. We got my girl Mal, we're gonna put her on our head and we're gonna get this makeup thing going. We're gonna start this transformation. So I'm gonna start off with my wig. Since I have really long hair, I don't like to braid because I feel like that takes up too much time. Anybody got time for that? I split my hair into 2 sections and I wrap it around my head. I bobby pin it all and then I put my wig cap on. And you'll end up looking like this. A thumb, a bald thumb. And then I'm gonna go ahead and apply the wig on top of the bald cap. So basically, if you don't know the Descendants series, I'll basically sum it up. It's all about the kid of the villains, of the Disney villains. So basically like Cruella de Vil, Maleficent, the Evil Queen, and Jafar. It's all about their kids. There's already been 2 movies and the 3rd one is coming out soon. So Mal, who I'm doing a makeup tutorial for, is the daughter of Maleficent. Maleficent is played by my queen, Kristen Chenoweth. I'm obsessed with her. Do you wanna be evil like me? I'm obsessed. So Mal is played by Dove Cameron, the Disney Channel queen. And the reason why I love this character so much is because she's a powerful female lead, and you know that I'm all about girls supporting girls. So I love her character style and I wanted to recreate the look, and I'm obsessed. I never really do wigs and like colored contacts and stuff like that, so this is like a fun way to play with hair and makeup with me, you know what I mean? But yeah, don't forget to check out the premiere of Descendants 3 on Disney Channel Friday, August 2nd at 8 p.m. All right, makeup time. So Dove Cameron is a beautiful human being and she has such distinct features. I think the things that I want to focus on mostly today are her lips and her nose. I feel like those 2 things make Dove Cameron Dove Cameron. Starting out with the face, I'm gonna be using a primer just to make her makeup nice and smooth and last all day. Just a good base. So I have eyelash extensions like Dove, but if you don't, you can always use the strip lashes or individual eyelashes and you should be good. You should be golden. You should be rotten to the core. Nobody's gonna understand these jokes unless you watch the movie. Okay, now foundation. I'm gonna be using a slightly lighter foundation than my actual skin tone just because Mal has a very fair complexion and we're gonna even everything out. Blue! What are you barking at? This is my sidekick Blue and Lola. I love her. No, you cannot eat my beauty blender. Lola has eaten, look at this. She's obsessed with it. She's eaten at least 5 of these beauty blenders, and these beauty blenders are not cheap. It's like $100 worth of beauty blenders you had for a snack. This is an expensive snack, Lola. Now for contouring, I'm going to be using a light concealer that's lighter than my foundation and a dark contour stick that's darker than my foundation, and we're gonna be contouring our face to try to look like Dove Cameron. So I'm gonna start off with the concealer. I'm just gonna try and highlight the high points of my face. So the high points of your face could be underneath your eyes, on your forehead, underneath your eyebrows, over top of your cupid's bow, underneath your chin, or on your chin, underneath. I mean, yeah, also underneath your chin too. I'm just gonna blend it away with the sponge. Now contour. So I'm gonna be contouring like on my cheekbones and my forehead, my chin, and then now I'm going to be doing the nose. So I feel like the nose is very important. What I'm basically going to be doing is I'm going to be making kind of like a square on my nose. The only thing is I'm leaving out the bottom half because the bottom half of her nose is pretty pointy. And then with the top half of my nose, I'm gonna contour like normal and put 2 lines on either side. Also, can we take in the fact that this shade name is literally called Dove? Okay, now this is gonna make the biggest difference in your look. Take any highlighter. Dove is obsessed with highlighting her nose, highlighting her face, having that dewy look. Dewy Dove. So I'm taking a highlighter and I'm gonna highlight the kind of like a line on my nose because Dove does that quite a lot. I'm gonna feel like her already. She does this trick both on the show and in real life, so girl, make sure you do it. It makes a big difference. And then I'm gonna be highlighting other parts of my face like the bridge of my nose, the inner corners of my eyes, the cupid's bow, the chin, and of course the high points of the cheeks. Ooh, and I feel like Dove is like always glowy. Like with her one look with the purple dress, I die. So I'm gonna put a little bit of highlighter on like my shoulders. What are these called? These bones. What is this called? Collarbones. Yes. From the poison apple. Okay, now blush. I feel like Mal always has like matching lips with her cheeks. And she always has that like pink, mauve-y kind of look. So make sure to grab a mauve blush or any kind of blush that matches your lipstick. If you don't have a blush that matches your lipstick, what you could do is like DIY it. So grab your lipstick, put a little bit on your cheeks, and then blend it with your fingers. You should be good to go. I'm gonna put the blush on the apples of my cheek. And then I like to even it out a little bit. I like to put whatever's left on the brush on like my chin and like my forehead. And then if you're daring, you can put like a little bit on the nose. Like, oh my God, I'm so innocent. Mal is an actual, she created baddie. Like there was no such thing as baddie until Mal was a baddie. Came in with her teeny nose, her highlighted cheeks, her little pouty lip. Mal from Descendants, creator of the baddies, creator of the Instagram baddies. Now, eyebrows. So Dove and Mal have had all of the eyebrows. They've had skinny eyebrows, they've had thick eyebrows. So whatever fits your face, whatever floats your boat, do what you want to do. I want to do kind of like the recent ones, which is her thicker eyebrows. So I'm just gonna get a brown pomade. Oh my god, so I'm just gonna grab a brown pomade. Oh my god! So I'm just gonna grab a brown pomade and try and fill mine in the same as hers. The most satisfying thing in life is the first dip into like a makeup product, or like peanut butter, the first dip into peanut butter. Like when it's perfect and then you do. That's how I feel right now. I wanted to do a video like satisfying makeup things, and that would be one of them. I'm mostly going off of this photo right here, so I'm gonna try and make it a little bit more blocky over here, and then her arch kind of goes down like this. So I'm gonna make brush-like strokes going upwards into my brows, kind of like faking eyebrow hairs. And then on the other side of the spoolie, I'm gonna brush it up and blend it. Oh my god. Before, after. Now, everybody's eyebrows are all different shapes and sizes, but for me personally, I just kind of like avoided the middle section because I feel like her eyebrows are pretty far apart. And then I started by filling in the bottom part of my eyebrow, thickening it up. And then I created a larger arch at the very top. And then I'm gonna make a really strong arch. So I'm gonna bring the tail of the eyebrow down. And not to lighten the eyebrows because my eyebrows are literally black and hers are blonde. I'm gonna be taking a brown eyeshadow just to lighten it up and set the eyebrows. Again, kind of avoiding the middle part of the eyebrows because I feel like hers are pretty far apart and we don't wanna fill that in too much. Oh my god, see how this lightens our eyebrows? Make my brows look even farther apart. I even added a little bit of concealer around my eyebrows just to kind of clean it up, and also in between. Okay, all that's left are the eyes and the lip. I feel like she does a pretty natural smoky eye with like a winged eyeliner, so that's what we're gonna do today. So I'm gonna start off with the transition color in my crease and then darken it a little bit with darker brown color. Not going too dark because I feel like Dove doesn't go too crazy with her eye makeup. And we're gonna leave the lid and the inner lid empty because we're gonna put some shimmery eyeshadow over top of it. I'm mostly focusing on the outer part and kind of winging it out. And I'm gonna get the same brown eyeshadow and put a little bit underneath my eyes, mostly on the outer corner. Oh my god, did you see that? I literally just moved my contact with my brush. And I'm gonna put a shimmery champagne color on the inner corner of my lid. Eyeliner! You can use any kind of eyeliner that you want. I personally like liquid eyeliner, but gel, pencil, whatever floats your boat. I feel like I said whatever floats your boat like 27 million times. Whatever floats Ursula's boat. So Dove does a very unique eyeliner. Basically what she does is she wings it out, but she only really goes to the center of her eye so that the eyeliner is mostly focused on the outer part. This gives the illusion of longer eyes. Notice how I only line up to right here at the center of my eye? That's a secret. That's what she does. Okay, my favorite part, lip. Mal has very like pouty lips, so I'm gonna start off with a lip liner. We're gonna overline our bottom lip, but not so much her top lip because I feel like her bottom lip is a lot bigger than her top. And for the Cupid's bow, Dove likes to go over top of her Cupid's bow to kind of like give the illusion of no Cupid's bow. Now I'm gonna fill in the lip liner with the liquid lipstick that's a mauve color. Now we're gonna be contouring the lips. You want the right contouring the lips? I never contour my lips. We're gonna be taking kind of like a darker eyeshadow. I'm gonna put that on the outer parts of my lips to give like an ombre effect. This will give the illusion of bigger and poutier lips, you know what I mean? And then Dove has like a cute little like line in the middle of her lips, so I'm gonna do that. And then we're gonna be highlighting the lips to make them look even bigger. And I'm only gonna be highlighting the center part of my lips. Also, if you guys want that big doll eye look, what you can do is get a white eyeliner and line the lower waterline of your eyes. This will make you look like you have like big doll eyes like Dove. And then to finish off the look, you just get any mascara that you want. And since I have eyelash extensions on the top, I'm just gonna put the mascara on the bottom. And the last step is to just take a bunch of pouty pictures to make sure like like push the lip, they look bigger. Oh my god. I feel like at some certain like, we gotta look like her. It depends, it's like the poses. It's all about the poses now. So if you guys decide to recreate this makeup tutorial, it's all about like you gotta like have the plastic surgery face. So you gotta suck in your nose, push out your lips. And it really helps when you like, you know, you like push your face to the side to make your cheeks look bigger and your lips look bigger. You know what I mean? Or she just like, to be like cute, you know. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's makeup tutorial. I hope you guys are excited for Descendants because I am too. Any Disney movie, I'm just like, oh my god. I'm like, I need to write it down in my calendar. I need to make sure that I'm fully open for the day that it comes out. I cannot be booked that day. You know what I mean? It's Disney or nothing. But don't forget to watch the premiere of Descendants 3 on Disney Channel Friday, August 2nd at 8 p.m. Also, huge thank you to Disney Channel and Descendants 3 for sponsoring today's video. I love you guys the most. You know, if you guys want to work with me again, you know, I'll check if my schedule is busy. I love you the most. Please, can we work together again? Also, fun fact if you didn't know, the director of Descendants 3 also directed High School Musical. So if that doesn't convince you to watch Descendants 3, then I don't know what will. Because that was literally like my childhood. I literally know the dance, like, we're all in this together. I can do the whole thing. Fabulous. Okay, we're getting off topic. This is Descendants. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you give it a like. Also, make sure to subscribe if you're not already. And follow me on all my socials. I'm at Adelaine Morin on everything. Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, whatever you want. But if you guys have a beautiful, magical, wonderful day, I'll see you guys in my next weekly video every Sunday. We'll see about that. But yeah, I love you. Bye.